Hi all, welcome to our GK class. Today we are going to learn the new part, that is wonders of science. There are 5 subtopics included in this part. First topic is super gamers. We all love to play games on computers and mobile phones. During this time you spend more time with the mobile phones. Some of them found mobile games. Here I would like to show some pictures of games and their description. You have to identify which game it is. Ready? I know that you all are ready with that. Okay, let's see the pictures. First one is, you swipe your finger to slice the fruits thrown onto the screen. Which game is this? Yes, that is Fruit Ninja. Second one, the characters in this game are based on a movie. The players lose studs if their character is destroyed. Which one is this? Yes, that is Lego Star Wars. Next is, in this game, the player runs to escape from an inspector and collects stars along the way. Yes, we all are familiar with this game. What is this? Subway Surfers. Next, fourth, you have to guide your disc through gates and collect as many stars as you can along the way. Which game is this? Yes, that is Frisbee Forever. Next is, the player locates, captures, battles and trains virtual creatures. That is Pokemon Go. Next is, the player has to race through the Mushroom Kingdom and save Princess Peach. Which game is this? Yes, Super Mario. Which was the first video game to be made into a movie? Yes, that is Super Mario Bros. Space War was the first game ever played on the computer. It was invented by Steve Russell in 1962. Next topic is amazing discoveries and inventions. A discovery is finding what has been in existence but not realized before. An invention is making a new thing with one's own ideas. Many discoveries and inventions have changed our way of life. Now you can read the description of some of the inventions and pictures associated with it. Then you can find out which invention is this. First one is, this was developed by 3 scientists and one of them was James Watt. The invention of this machine made mining, agriculture and transportation easy. Which invention is this? Yes, that is steam engine. Next is Percy Spencer, an American engineer, invented this gadget. It is an important part of our kitchen today. Which invention is this? Yes, that is microwave. Next is Michael Faraday, an English scientist, invented this device based on this discovery of electromagnetism. The device is used in fan, refrigerators, washing machines, pumps and so on. Which invention is this? Yes, it is electric motor. Next is Henry Bigelow developed this substance that is given to a patient who has to undergo a surgery. Yes, that is anesthesia. Next is Edward Jenner discovered this method to keep pupils safe from a smallpox. Now kids are immunized at every stage. Which invention is this? Yes, it is vaccination. Next is, this was invented by Carl D. von Sorbonne. It was an early form of a popular means of transport. Yes, that is a love machines invention. Next is, this mathematical concept was first used by the Mesopotamians, Babylonians and Indians. It is known as Shunya in Sanskrit. Yes, that is invention of zero. Next is William Conrad Röntgen discovered this procedure that helps doctors to diagnose many medical problems. Yes, that is the invention of X-ray. Next topic is what do they do? In this topic, you can see some pictures and their description. You can tell what are these specialists called. First one is, I study human history through material remains. What we can call? Yes, archaeologist. Next is, I study reptiles and amphibians. What we can call? Yes, herpetologist. The person who study about reptiles and amphibians. Next, I study living organism that can only be seen under the microscope. Yes, what we can call? Microbiologist. Next one is, I study birds. Yes, that is the ornithologist. The person who studies about birds called ornithologist. Next is, my husband and I discovered the elements of polonium and radium. Yes, what we can call? Scientist. Marie Curie, her husband Pierre Curie and Henry Becquerel won the 1903 Nobel Prize for Physics. She also won the 1911 Nobel Prize for Chemistry. Next is, I study fossils. What we can call? Yes, paleontologist. The person who studies about fossils called a paleontologist. Next topic is using a calculator. We all familiar with the calculator, but some of them do not know the functions of the different keys of a calculator. Now let's see in detail. First is the on key, switches on the calculator. Next is the MC or a memory clear key, clears the memory. Next, the MR or a memory recall key shows the number stored in the memory. Next is the M minus or memory subtraction key, subtract the newly entered number from a number which already exists in the memory. Next is M plus or memory addition key, adds a number to the memory. It also adds the newly entered number to a number which already exists in the memory. Next is the off key, switches off the calculator. Next is the AC or a all clear key, deletes the previous calculation and reset the function. Press this key to start a new calculation. Next is the C or a clear entry key, deletes the last digit entered. Next is plus or minus key, is used to enter a negative number. Next, last is the dot or a decimal key, enters the decimal part of a number. Next topic is charged up. This is a crossword puzzle. We all know there are different types of energy in our world. They can be produced in many ways. Here, some clues are given to solve this crossword puzzle. This is your homework. You can do this with the help of this clue. This all in this part. See you next class. Bye bye.